A quick demonstration on how to use your underwear as a face mask. Now, let's begin. I want to show you a video on how to use your normal underwear to make a face mask. What we always call it mayafi. Now let's start. You put your underwear on your head. Please do not use a tight one because mine is tight. Use a loose one so that you can breathe. You can breathe well. Yeah. So you put your underwear on your face. Attach the first one to your nose and let it cover a little bit of your ear. And then you bring the other leg to your forehead. Let that one to cover your ears because your ears can also get affected by the virus. Yeah. This is all done. You can see how simple and easy it is. Remember not to use a tight underwear. You can see how it's tight close to my mouth. Attach glasses to it to cover your eyes too. See how beautiful I look. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.